today's video is going to be a wig unboxing, and this is new for my channel because if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I make my own units and I don't buy wigs pre-made. But I wanted to try a little different thing today, so I'm trying a wig from a company that is on Aliexpress, and the company is called Aliecrown. So that's the box that it comes in. The good thing about this unit is it only cost me $100 Canadian. So in American, I'm sure that's about like $80 or less than that. So less than $100, you can get a really affordable wig. So this wig came shipped to me by FedEx, express shipping. So it was shipped within 3 days. So to me, that's really fast, quick delivery. So that was awesome. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is the wig. Okay, we'll get to the wig in a few seconds. It comes with Rich Eyelash for You, that's the brand. A pair of eyelashes. See that? I'm gonna drop my wig, girl. Okay, and another thing that comes in the box is a wig cap. So that's nice that they actually gave the scalp color wig cap. So there's 2 pieces in there. And then a piece of paper. Let's see. The good thing, when I ordered this wig, they asked me if I wanted it in a natural color, or so I do like jet black hair. Like this wig that I'm wearing right now is not jet black, but I usually do like to wear jet black hair. So once I chose that option, they did tell me that then I can't color the unit, or it can't be dyed. So that's fair. So it's no longer like a virgin hair. And the letter says, this is a little note. When you've received this letter, think that you have received the product. We feel very appreciated about your patience. If you have any dissatisfaction, please send the message to us immediately. We will try our best to serve you with satisfaction. Have a nice day. Best regards. That first paragraph does not make any sense, but anyway, that is the... Okay, so I ordered this wig, one wig in 12 inches. It's Aliecrown lace front human hair wigs, and it's pre-plucked, straight, full, and Brazilian Remy hair. This is what it looks like in the photo, so that's cool. So the wig comes in a net. And comes with a little padding. This is the cap. It's nice. It feels like a good amount of hair. It feels soft. The smell is not very strong at all. The lace on the hair does seem a bit dark, but hopefully it won't be an issue for me when I put it on. The knots are not bleached, so I'm gonna have to bleach the knots, but that's what the cap looks like. I'll flip it completely inside out for you guys to see. So it's ear to ear, which is nice. It feels like pretty snug. Like it feels like it's a average size cap. I believe it's 22 inches, so it's a medium size, average size cap. Hopefully it does fit me well. Running my hands through it, I'm not experiencing any shedding. It does look like it's 12 inches. And it does have an adjustable strap at the back, at the bottom, with 1, 2, 4 combs. So 4 combs in the inside of the cap. Yeah, that's the cap. That's the wig. Doesn't feel coarse or anything. Doesn't feel like really cheap hair. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like on. So if you guys want to see what the actual wig looks like after I bleach the knots and you know, just cut the lace off. Stay tuned, stick around, subscribe so you can actually see this video, the install video of the unit. And don't forget to comment your thoughts on the unit, and if you like seeing wig reviews, let me know, and I can do that for you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.